Hello there everyone and welcome back guys. Today guys we're going to continue our quest in finding the best car care solutions and chemicals. I'm going to do a little review and test on this product from Autobrite Direct. It is a wheel and tire cleaner. Why have I picked this wheel and tire cleaner specifically? Well, it costs only 22 pounds for 5 liters. And not only that, it is dilutable, which basically it is a concentrate. You can dilute it anywhere from 2 to 1 upwards to 20 to 1. And if you dilute it 20 to 1, it will only cost you 22p or 23p per liter of product. This is extremely cost effective. Also, what's good about this product, what I kind of liked in the description, is the fact that it has glossifying agents in it. So meaning that when you rinse off the wheel, it will leave a clear, non-hazy surface. Today we're going to do a couple of tests on this product. Let's get into it. So guys, we have 3 bottles we're going to use to dispense the chemical on our wheel. One is a double action trigger spray, the other one is just a pump spray, and this is a foam spray. So the dilution ratio for these two will be 20 to 1, and this is going to be 10 to 1. So this is a 1 liter pump spray, 900 ml of water, 100 ml of product. This is a pump spray. We're going to use 20 to 1 with 950 ml of water and 50 ml of product. Now this is a 1.5 liter tank, and we're going to use 75 ml. To make the dilution ratio 20 to 1. So this is 1 week worth of dirt. This car does 150 miles every week. So I like doing tests on these wheels specifically because they're black and they're clear coated or lacquered, and they show a lot of imperfections and dirt obviously. So we're gonna do 2 touchless tests with the dilution ratio 1 to 20 and dilution ratios 1 to 10. So we're gonna start off with the dilution ratio 1 to 20 first. And I'm just gonna use this washer, power washer, and I'm gonna use this shower mouth to rinse the wheel off, and then we're gonna leave blow dry it. So my first impression, guys, is that this product doesn't have a nasty smell. As a matter of fact, it smells very nice. It has some kind of fruity flavor to it. As you can see, it didn't really do much, but it did soften up the dirt quite a bit. Now this is dilution ratio 1 to 10. So this is a bit more interesting, and visually you can already see that it shifted a bit more dirt. Now I kind of oversaturated this area, so pressed and sprayed a lot of chemicals, so it kind of started dripping and knocking off more of the dirt. So 1 to 10 or 10 to 1 is a lot more effective. It's a bit more expensive. It's like a 45p per liter cleaner, but it's still very cheap though if you have a bit more heavier baked on brake dust. Now you can at least visually see some of that gloss coming back. With the tires maybe a little bit shift, you can also see that it darkened it up a little bit. So yeah, it definitely works. So now we're just gonna do a contact wash with the 1 to 20 dilution ratio. Here we go. I'm gonna let it sit there for a minute, see how it feels, whether it gives it slickness or not, see how it foams up as well. As it is a lower dilution ratio, maybe still not bad really, you know. So foams up quite well. A very good foam. Just gonna take my towel, try to dry it completely, and see how it looks. Did a really nice job. I mean, from looks of it, these wheels aren't perfect, they're kind of a bit scratched, but it did really clean the wheel nicely. I think they nailed that one. One more test. Now our last test with 20:1 dilution ratio. Running this thing for snow foam gives a bit more lubricity or slickness. You can see all the browning going on here. Now let's rinse this whole dirt off. Now, I did a quite good job, guys. Those glossifiers do work for me. The wheel shines. It restored the depth and gloss. Obviously, using through a foam is a lot more effective. I wasn't using a high pressure rinse. I was just using a shower mode on a power washer, so probably less pressure than in a garden hose, or about the same. Did a good job on the wheel arch as well, by the way, so you can probably use it on the wheel arch too, because if that's plastic and you can be used on plastic like this, it probably can be used on that as well. Just to do it all once. If you can be used on rubber, it can be used there as well. So because you're going to get it on the brake components also. But this is kind of cool. My verdict about this product is, guys, it's very effective, and also it's very cost effective. The user experience is amazing. It smells nice. It doesn't have a nasty potent smell. If you live in the UK, this is a go-to product in my opinion. Now, I haven't tested this product, guys, on heavily neglected wheels, but in my opinion, if the wheels are heavily neglected, I would go to an iron remover or an acid-based wheel cleaner anyway. My expectation of this product is just to be a maintenance product, because it's very cheap at this dilution ratio. So thank you everyone for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in my next video.